My name is Miguel Forte. I am at the ISCT the chair of the commercialization committee and the chief commercialization officer for ISCT. I'm also chief medical officer for Therapeutics, a company that is working on osteoblasts, MSC derived from bone marrow, that are used to replace and repair bone defects. So as you know, there are some fractures and some aspects of bone degeneration that do not heal adequately. Osteoblasts are cells that actually repair bone. So what we've done, and has been done that in the past using bone marrow, what we've done is taking bone marrow-derived MSCs, process them and modify them into osteoblasts, getting them ready to do their job, and then place them where there are defects. There, they will promote the bone regeneration and reformation and heal the bone. I think the challenges that we have are similar to the ones that most people have in cell therapy today. The ideas are great, the science is evolving, but we have to do it in a way that we harness the manufacturing process. Process development to optimize the process development to reduce the costs so that we deliver a business model that is competitive, that can deliver value to patients, that is affordable to payers, and it's easy to use and prescribe by physicians. So we have one product which is allogenic. So in other words, from one donor we can produce innumerous batches to have a truly off-the-shelf ready to use. We are currently conducting studies in delayed union fractures, those fractures that take longer to heal, and also to promote the fusion of the vertebral body in people that have back pain and issues with disc degeneration. It is important because research is great, but research is fantastic when it delivers value to patients. Academics have ideas, academics develop new targets. Industry makes them into product realities. What we have to do here, and we are working hard at it, is to be able to discuss the science, bring the academics with their interest, and expose them to the business side. We had a meeting earlier on with investors. We had a plenary session on industrialization for the patient. So we're bringing together the originators and the ones that will make the product so that we bring it to the patient. And I think ISCT is a fantastic opportunity for that blending. The meeting has a lot of fantastic science. We have seen great new ideas about how to use the T lymphocytes. So we're getting a lot of new ideas that will be able to take us from the soluble cancer to the solid tumor, which is really the next challenge for those immunotherapies. And we're seeing that happening. At the same time, we're seeing a lot of the discussions, as I mentioned, on the different opportunities to make those products into realities for the patient. And we had today a fantastic meeting on industrialization for the patient, which compared the challenge that we had with small molecules, with biologics, that we are relieving again now with the cell therapy, with the compounded aspects of the characteristics of the cells. But in reality, it is the same thing. We need to see an unmet medical need. We need to see a target that could address that unmet medical need and take it through development, product development, clinical development, regulatory discussions, reimbursement and pricing, and then take it to the patient.